going on, RestoMods fans? If you've been following along with our 69 Charger sweepstakes, you've already seen our Forever Sharp Mahogany steering wheel. It was one of the first things we did. We took off the old Mopar wheel and replaced it with this beautiful mahogany wheel. And when we did that, we realized that this thing was missing something. So currently it has this plastic Recreation 1970 pistol grip shifter, and we wanted to find somebody who could make a mahogany that would replace this. What we did was we searched online and we found Nick at Idle Hands Woodwork. He is a one-man shop and he does everything by hand, and what I have here is what he sent us. So let's open this thing up and see what we got. So nice soft carrying case. It's all wrapped up here. Boom. Wow. This thing is beautiful. So that's all hand done, custom work. So I'm gonna take off this plastic pistol grip and replace it with our custom mahogany one, and we'll see how she looks when she's done. So one really cool thing about Nick's pistol grip system is that this thing is held together completely by magnets. So you're able to have flush sides with no screw holes, and it just adds a little bit of customness to your charger. So let's throw this thing in here and see how it fits. All right. So there we go. Our mahogany pistol grip is all installed, and wow, the thing looks amazing. We want to give a huge shout out to Nick at Idle Hands Woodwork. Like I mentioned before, he's a one-man shop and he's custom making these, keeping Mopars cool. And check out his website at idlehandswoodwork.com. See some of the amazing work that he's done and support this man. So thank you again to him, because he was very adamant about contributing to this build. And whoever wins this car is going to have a sweet custom-made mahogany pistol grip to rip around. So thank you again. And if you want your chance to win this 69 Charger, sign up for the RestoMods Car Club or hit our store and get an entry for every $1 that you spend.